So children, in the last class we did articles chapter number 20 and the first two exercises I had discussed. Today we are going to understand the use of the. Okay, so all of you see, we use the for a particular person, place or thing. Like children, for example, he is the man who runs fast. Here children, you are talking about a man that you already know, that he is a fast runner. So if you know someone, or if you're talking about a particular person, in that case children, here we are not going to use a. In place of a, we are going to use the, because you already know this man, you already know this particular man, that he is the person who runs fast. Okay, so when you know someone, then in that case you are going to use the, children. Okay, in the same manner, this is the car that I want to buy. Now here children, the car, we are not going to write here a car. Why? Because here I am talking about a particular car that someone wants to buy. You already know the brand of this car, you already know the features of this car, so you are knowing this particular car. So you are pointing and showing to someone that yes, this is the car that I want to buy. So when you are talking about a particular thing, place or person, then in that case we use article the. Okay, next, where else we use article the? We use the when a thing is only one of its kind. What do we have one only in the nature, children? You have the sun, the moon, the sky. Okay, we don't say a sun or a moon, we will say the sun, the moon, the Jupiter, the Mercury. Okay, and the names of directions also children, we put article the before them. Okay, next we use the with the names of rivers, mountain ranges, oceans, seas, famous buildings, nations and holy books. Like children, we say the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Godavari river. Okay, we don't say a Ganga. Okay, so names of rivers are there, or names of mountain ranges. So we say the Himalayas, the Rocky Mountains. Okay, in the same manner children, names of oceans, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean. So names of oceans, if you see, you are going to write article the before them. If you names of any other famous building or sea also, the Black Sea, the Arabian Sea, the Yellow Sea, the Bay of Bengal. So here also children, we put the. Okay, names of famous buildings, like we have Taj Mahal, we don't say a Taj Mahal, we say the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort. Okay, the Qutub Minar. Or names of places like the USA. Okay, next we have the Quran, the Ramayana, the Bible, the Bhagavad Gita. These are the names of holy books. So before them also we use article the. Okay, next rule says the is sometimes used to indicate a class or kind of anything. Like the camel is the ship of the desert, the lion is the king of animals. Here children, we are not talking about one lion, we are talking about the whole class of lion, the whole group of lions, all the lions. So here we will use the article the. When we are not pointing at one lion, we are pointing at all the lions, because all are the king of the jungle, right? So the lion or the camel is the ship of the desert. Okay, next is very important rule. When we introduce a person or thing for the first time, that means when we are talking about something for the first time children, then we use a or an. Remember this, first time किसी के बारे में बात करते हैं, we use a or an. But when we speak about that person again for the second time, then we will use article the. So how? See this example. I have a necklace. Now here I am talking about this necklace for the first time. So I have used here article a. I have a necklace. Now when second time I am talking about the same necklace, then I will use article the. I have a necklace. The necklace is made of gold. So that is why when I'm talking about the same necklace again, so I will use article the. So this you have to remember, children. When we talk about something first time, we use a, and for same thing when we are talking again, then we use article the. Okay, see one more example. I bought a watch. So first time I'm talking about this, so I put here a. Next is dash watch tells accurate time. So here it will be the watch, because I'm speaking about this watch again. I'm talking about this watch second time. So first time when you use, you write a or an, and second time you will put the. Okay. And one very important point, we never use the before names of persons, children. We never say the Kumud or the Mohan. That is wrong. Okay. So this you have to remember. So go through these rules given in your book, children, once again. And based on this, you have an exercise that I have already solved it for you. You can go through it. I'll send you in the attachment. And if you have any doubts, you can clear in the online class, children. Okay. Seeing the first letter, here I have put an. Sumitra has an elder brother. Look at dash picture. So I'm talking about a particular picture. I'm pointing at a picture and showing. So here you will use article the. Look at the picture. Okay. Next is Amit is studying in a university in Australia. Here university has a sound of Y-O-O. So if you have Y-O-O sound, you are going to use article a. An aeroplane is flying a flying machine. Okay. Likewise, children, all this you have to do. There are 60 minutes in an hour. Our H is silent. So don't see this H. You have to see the first letter, that is O, which is a vowel. So we put an here. Okay. There are 60 minutes in an hour. The names of directions and planets and all the things that are one of its kind, you will put the. So the sun rises in the east. It sets in the west. So likewise, children, you finish this exercise, and if you face any difficulty, you can clear it. Okay. Now we meet in the next class. Thank you, children.